Hi, this is Aribabu from Welltech Multitech Engineering College. I am doing a final year MBA. My project title is Study on Measurement of Customer Expectation and Satisfaction at Big Bazaar. First of all, see about introduction. Big Bazaar was started by Kishore Biani. In a starting period, they started with four departments: apparels, cosmetics, accessories, and general merchandise. After that, they will include three departments: Food Bazaar department, Electric Bazaar, and Furniture. And my objective of my study is my primary objective is to measure the customer expectation and satisfaction at Big Bazaar. And my secondary objective is to identify the customer interested in buying a product to find the service rendering by Big Bazaar. Let me see about industry profile. Retail. Retail in the sense selling the physical goods in a fixed location. Retailer. Retailer in the sense selling the large quantity of product to the smaller quantity to the end user. Let me see about retail industry. Retail industry is the fifth largest industry in the world. It is one of the fastest growing industry in India. With the growing market demand, industry is expected to grow 20 to 30%. The growth of Indian industry retail in retail sector industry had a share of 8 to 10% in 2007, 12% in 2009, 22% of share in 2010. Let me see about company profile. Big Bazaar is the biggest hypermarket chain in India. They have 140 outlets. The parent group is Future Group. The owner is Kishore Biani. The headquarters in Mumbai. The retail industry, the tagline is Ishi Sasta Aur Acha Kahi. The board of directors in Big Bazaar, the managing director is Mr. Kishore Biani. The whole-time director is Gopi Krishna Biani, Mr. Rakesh Biani. The director is Mr. Shalish Haribadi, Mr. S. Doresami. The review of literature of my study is the paper published by Ashish under the topic of customer satisfaction in retail stores. The company ability to fulfill the emotional and psychological needs of its customer. The quality of service delivered expected by customer. The paper published by Sharma of topic analyzing the customer expression in retail stores. Analyzing the customer expression is the process of identifying the needs and wants of a customer. It can be satisfied by three ways: providing the good quality of service, providing the good quality of product, and customer satisfaction. Data analysis and interpretation of my studies. Primary data. The data was collected by through questionnaire comparing the 20 questions. The secondary data is collected the information from official websites and also referred from some of the articles. Sampling procedure of my studies. Sampling unit is customer visited in Big Bazaar. Sampling size is 100 respondents. Sampling method is random sampling method. Findings of my studies. From the survey, it is found that the people of age between 35 and above are mostly coming to Big Bazaar. 35% of people attracted by ads. 60% of people are satisfied with the product and varieties. Nearly 40% of people spending the time in Food Bazaar department. 20% of people spending the time in kitchen apparels. 70% of people are satisfied with the products in Big Bazaar. Cashier interaction in Big Bazaar was not satisfactory. The product and service in Big Bazaar is more than the average level. The many suggest the customer seva desk is rendering the fast service. Customer service should be improved more there, should concentrate in price range. Suggestion of my studies. During the analysis, it was found that many customers coming to the few malls and department stores and visit them often thus comparing to others. We need to differentiate our stores from others in the city to build our own set of the customers. It was found that the major problem faced by the customer in the crowd at the cash counter. They don't want to wait in a queue for a longer period. Thus, we must concentrate most in our cash counter. Finally, conclusion of my studies. As the most of the retail industry did market research before entering into market, same thing was done by Big Bazaar. Is 1 year much more diversification was done in it. And then the retail customer they use a loyalty program in IT techniques. We can conclude that the Big Bazaar as one of the major retail industry in India. Working environment is good and also the various facilities providing to them increase the customer service. Thank you.